Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to allow JavaScript on Chrome. First thing first, launch Chrome on your computer as usual. In the top right corner, click the three dots. And from the drop-down, select Settings. Now on the left-hand menu, click Privacy and Security. On the right-hand panel, click Site Settings. Now scroll down to Content, then click JavaScript. Choose one of the options. Sites can use JavaScript, which is when it enabled, it is recommended, or don't allow sites to use JavaScript, which is disabled. Now close and reopen your browser so the changes take effect. Just a tip, you can also allow or block JavaScript only for specific websites by adding them under customized behaviors in the same settings panel. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more.